Guys, good morning. Good morning, everyone. One thing I realized is that I'm sitting with a lot of truth that can actually save me in my situation because I'm busy exposing a cult which is disguised as a church, but I keep not mentioning the name. Whereas I know with the truth that I'm sitting on, I am 1,000,000% sure about it. So I'm pleading again to the world out there, to South Africa, Uguti, please investigate a church called Rock of Ages International. I'm running everywhere because I am a target, because I know so much about them. So bang targetile. In truth, they actually want me to date these people. There's a church called Rock of Ages International. This church is in Witbank. It's got a lot of branches, but the one I'm talking about, but it's number 14. And I'm not going to be unapologetic about the truth. I've got to a point where if I have to go to jail, if I have to go to prison for iqiniso, let it be there, akunankinga. But into ezonginceda ezongisiza ukuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso, because iqiniso ngisho ngalo. I am sure of what I'm talking about. I'm pleading again to investigative bodies out there, whether it's the Special Investigative Unit, everyone, even TV shows that do investigative work. About Cutting Edge, like your Cutting Edge, Cut Blanche, I don't know if they're still there. The Whipping News, they can do these investigations. There's so much that this church is doing. This church is a cult. This church, it's the Masons, the third degree Masons, it's the Eastern Stars. And the master Mason is Bishop Tizulu. Bishop Tizulu, uye o insuring pillar. Their aim was to kill me, bahluleka. But shoot lento bayijwayele. They claimed life insurance ngami, ngiphila alive, with fraudulent paperwork. And this cult also went to an extent of doing a background check on me to find out that I've got inheritance. They were intercepting that inheritance through some family members of mine. Hence, I've been sending videos pleading to courts, pleading to the Witbank Magistrate Court, to Middelburg Magistrate Court, between those two courts, because that's where these family members went to lie. I'm mentally unstable. All of this is happening through this church. It's happening through Rock of Ages International. And I dare them to sue me. Please sue me. If I'm lying, sue me. Let the investigations be done. And if yonke lento engikhulumile ngani nginamanga, le ndaba yesonto ukuthi you are evading tax, le ndaba ye-money laundering, le ndaba yama-orphanage, this poor orphans that you're trafficking, that you're trafficking through your brother, your brother Bishop Tizulu, your brother who owns a orphanage home le ngase the things that you are doing to those poor children. Nibayenza ama-prostitute kulama-brothels wenu ase-town, niba human trafficker. And that human trafficking company, you opened it with my information, with my name, because that was part of your plan of bringing me down. You were trying to throw me under the bus, doing bank loans and all sorts of things in my name. But this thing has backfired so bad because I told you, you targeted the wrong person. And this whole thing, your inheritance, beniyenza lapha e court, nale life insurance, you looked some very, very stupid family members of mine. Ebathanda imali bawela kule trap. I even have a cousin in my own family, if I 14 la ngihlala khona, obekangi insurile. Wahluleka ukulokhanje uhlezi 3 months angathenga igrocery. Ngazi ukuthi wenzani, angibhadalele i-life insurance. Ukuthi ngizofa ngale plan leni bese uyaclaima. Guys, I'm pleading again. please investigate Rock of Ages International. I'm going to put the name of this church on the screen. I am 1,000,000% ukuthi they are doing this, and I'm putting my life on the line. I'm prepared to go to prison for this truth if I'm lying, but I know for a fact that I'm not lying. And ngiyabona ukuthi into ezongisiza manje ukuthi ngikhona ukuthola freedom yami ukuthi ngibaneme labantu to call, because I'm sure, I'm 1000% sure of what they're doing. I don't see a reason why I shouldn't name them. The church is Rock of Ages International. Isonto laka Bishop T. Zulu. So I'm pleading to everyone out there who is investigating or who can assist me in investigating this church. I am telling you, they are doing these things. Mina nami ngokwami bakleyimile ngami i-life insurance fraudulently, so, because ngile ngazi-check Home Affairs and I found out that I'm still alive and I'm not married, because they did this with an ex-wife of mine. The ex-wife of mine goes to the church, usonta lapho kulelo sonto lelo, uye bamfundisele izinto, bamfaka lo moya lo, wayaza wakhohlisa ama-family members wami, nabo bajoyina ngokuphapha nokuthanda imali, nokuthi futhi bafuna ukungibulala. They wanted to poison me. Ningibona ngibaleka kangaka, balwela ukuthi bafuna ukuthi ngibuye with bank, because they want to finish their plans, because they know ukuthi iqiniso seliphumile okuningi senyakwazi bangilandelela konke la ngikhona manje ngeke baze bangithole. But ngiyabona ukuthi lokho ngibaleka ngishifta izindawo ngisebenza kabuhlungu, kungcono ukuthi ngifele into ekhona ngokuthi ngikhulume iqiniso. This church, which is a cult, is Rock of Ages International. Isonto laka Bishop T. Zulu. And makangisuwe nangabe nginamanga, but maka-investigate-iwe, and if kuyatholakala ukuthi nginamanga, they can sue me, they can arrest me, I don't have a problem. But I can assure you, everyone, mphakathi, with this church does this, and they target their church, their own church members for life insurance. And one thing they cannot run away from, ukuthi, with all these life insurance companies, those are corporations of worth billions. They will never risk losing business ukuthi ba-erase evidence or bacime information ngoba seke-investigate-iwa nina. Wonke lama claims anowenzile are there. You cannot run away from that. That information is there. Na le family member lo bekangibhadalile lo kanje, akagithi bekangibhadalile life insurance, ahlulekile uclaima, ungagijima uyivala uyivalise le policy. But I think it's on the system, it's there with my information, with my insurance. It's going to be there. And mhlambe bawudom nokuba dom bobhatala nge-debit order bedonsa ku-bank account yakho. Noma ungayoyivala leyo account manje, why uyivala manje? Why are you closing that account now? I'm going to give all that information to people who will be investigating if there's someone who's going to come forward. But I'm pleading again to the Hawks, the SIU, Madlanga Commission, whoever is there. I am 1,000,000% about this information that I'm giving out, about this church, about the things that they are doing. There's so much that I know about these people. I know even people that they've killed. I know people that they've killed in the name of cult sacrifices and of this insurance scheme. But the biggest mistake they made was insuring me and claiming with me alive, because they couldn't kill me. And the reason I'm talking so much about this is because there was a point where I wouldn't have a chance to do this. If there are things went their way and they went right and they got me, please, I'm pleading with everyone who can investigate this. The justice system of South Africa, I'm pleading with you again, and also for my own justice and freedom, because I'm targeted. The name of the church is Rock of Ages International. Thank you.